Before I found Arbor Health, there were a lot of things that I thought were normal that I realized were not normal. Having stomach aches all the time, having irregularities in my menstrual cycle, having anxiety. There were a lot of things that I just chalked up to this is who I am, and Arbor Health helped me work through a lot of those things. My experience with other doctors was just unsatisfactory. I felt a lot of times like I knew more than them in the sense that I had done more research, obviously, because these problems were so important to me, reading different materials and trying to become educated. And I feel like they just didn't have the time to really dig into the problems that I was having. And that was the opposite of what I got at Arbor Health. A lot of time, a lot of investment, and a lot of thoughtful feedback that I felt like I was a part of. What made me say yes to working with Arbor Health was just the attention and the care that I got right from the start, from the intake person to whoever scheduled my first appointment, to talking with the health coach, to talking with the main provider that I worked with. I just felt like they were all in. They wanted to hear me out. They wanted to help. And I felt like even though it was certainly an investment of time and money, what better investment than in your health? If there was anything that might have made me hesitant to get started with Arbor Health, I think just the time, the money, is this really gonna fix my problems? Is what I'm dealing with really worth all of this time or worth all of this money? I just decided that it was worth a shot. It was better than not feeling well, and I felt like I was tired of spinning my wheels of trying to figure it out myself. My care team at Arbor Health helped me in making lifestyle changes by being very available. And I felt that I could always communicate with them via their portal and get prompt and helpful feedback. What surprised me the most about Arbor Health is the wide range of things that they are knowledgeable about and that they can treat. I think my initial impression, just from speaking with folks who knew them and looking at their website, was, maybe they're geared more towards children and teens. Maybe they can't help me. But they were extremely knowledgeable with the issues that I was having. They also ultimately treated my husband, who was having some unusual problems after contracting COVID, and really just the wide range of experience and their, I would almost say, excitement to really dig in and help as many people as they could. The biggest change to my life since working with Arbor Health is that I am now pregnant, and Arbor Health helped me on that journey, and that has been a big change. If you're on the fence about working with Arbor Health, I would tell you, do it. You're not going to regret investing in yourself, taking the time to learn from people who are experienced and from people who really do care. It is time and money well spent. My name is EICH, and I live in Rochester, New York.